As Bitcoin moves in this sideways range, albeit on the daily chart, and there's a price range between $56,500 to a resistance of $73,800, it begs the question, altcoin season. When will it start? In my opinion, it started, but the good news is we're right at the beginning of altcoin season. What I want to show you, in addition to the top 3 or 4, I might do 4, I'm going to at least do 3 altcoins that I believe have the best risk to reward, best potential. I'm going to show you that towards the end of the video. Let me show you the bull case for altcoins and why altcoin seasons happen. This is really important, so just bear with me for a minute. If you understand this, you'll be able to time. No one can time the market exactly, let me be clear, but you'll be able to have the best chance of getting the best entries and, of course, exit into altcoins. So let me show you this quickly. Quick smash to the like as always. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the bell, and let me show you what I'm talking about. This chart here is total 3. It is the crypto market cap minus Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. Currently has a $680 billion market cap right now. That's compared to 2.5 trillion market cap of all crypto. So it sits at about 20% or so. Let's look at the last bull market and altcoins. Where I see ourselves now is where I saw ourselves in December 2020. We consolidated, we broke this trend, which you can see we very much did. I haven't got that line drawn, but we definitely broke that line. Just to show you, we broke that line exactly like we broke this line, and we're now above the sideways previous resistance, now turned support, as you can see. So December 2020 is where I see us, where we got supported off this level, and you can see the parabolia, or the parabolic move. I don't know if parabolia is a word, let me know in the comments. But you saw this explosive move that happens, and that is what we're now waiting for. But it doesn't just mean you can buy any altcoin and you'll do, you know, 10x, 50x. You have to buy the right ones, which I'm going to show you in a moment which ones I'm buying. Let me show you the price targets in total in terms of market cap. So at the moment, on the fib levels for the current range, if you do a high to a low, swing high to low, you can see that the golden pocket is at $813 to $850 billion. That would already take us up, you know, another, what, 20% or so. But really, we need to look again at the previous range of the previous bull market to get an idea of what altcoins can do against Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you draw a fib level here, what I find interesting is if you go to the 2.618, it hit target almost perfectly. It actually peaked above it at nearly $1 trillion. It went over $1 trillion market cap for altcoins. If we applied the same analysis, and of course this is just one variant of doing technical analysis, 1 trillion was the last cycle. If we go to the same top level fib, it actually gives you a target of $2.5 trillion market cap for altcoins. And I believe at the bare minimum, we will see 2 trillion market cap, but 2.5 trillion market cap for altcoins is likely. You can see by the fib levels what the most likely course here is something like this. You know, we'll get the breakout, we'll get resisted here, we'll get resisted here, that will turn support, maybe resistance, and you know, all the way into 2025. So let me talk about the altcoins that I'm holding and I recommend buying for value. A very quick message for anyone that wants to trade altcoins. You can buy them, you can trade them with futures. Blowfin, link in the description below. Blowfin is a really good crypto exchange. No KYC. You can use it from anywhere in the world. No, verification. Really safe, secure, easy platform. You can see all the different coins that it has to offer here. For example, if you go into the contracts, I mean, there's just so many. You've got memes, altcoins, trending, AI. You've literally got everything. You can do leverage all the way up to something crazy like maybe 150x, which I definitely don't recommend to do. But yeah, link below. Get your $5,000 for free with the link in the description. And also, if you're watching this in recent times of me posting it, if you're into football, you can use that link down below to predict what the UEFA Champions League final is going to be between Borussia Dortmund and Real Madrid. If you get the correct score, you're going to be in a pool to win $500,000. I've made my prediction. Let me know what your prediction is in the comments. You can make that prediction again by using the link down below. Let me tell you the altcoins. I'm going to cover 3 altcoins because I want to spend a little bit of time on each, not too long. The first one I really like is Chainlink. Okay, Chainlink has fundamentals going for it, and in my opinion, it has technicals as well. It hasn't yet hit its golden pocket, which would take us up to about $34. Right now, it's in this sideward range and it's above support. The support is at $16.20. The resistance is 40% away. It's a really nice trade entry. The current trade setup that I have is the following. So entry point around $16, target up at $22, stop loss beneath this wick here. And you've got a 4.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio, meaning the upside potential is 36%, the downside potential is 7%. With Bluefin or any of my trusted exchanges in the description, you can utilize leverage, and of course, for example, if you had a 20x on that, it would be a 720% return against a 140% return. Of course, using leverage you can make great gains, but you can make losses as well, so it's important to use proper money risk management. But it's just an example of where I see Chainlink going, not financial advice, just what I'm doing. I must stress Chainlink, yeah, I believe it's going to even potentially vie for an ETF this year, like Ethereum's just got. A lot of banks are using Chainlink. The government's decided to use Chainlink. It's a very, very good blockchain technology. So Chainlink's very good. Near Protocol has formed this very nice inverse head and shoulders pattern. It's a newer cryptocurrency in this cycle, still with a big market cap, and I believe it's going to challenge for the top 5, well, maybe top 7 coins, should I say. The target I've got for near Protocol at the moment is very nice. We're just in the process of hopefully getting the breakout. It's about a 90% move, and my price prediction over the next few months is about $15 through altcoin season for near. The other one's more of a meme coin. It's Bonk. Bonk has, you know, it's obviously on Solana. Solana does well, and by the way, I'm very bullish on Solana as well. We have this major bull flag in play, which I like very much because not only is it broken trend, it's come back down to test the support as well. And right now, I believe this move is in play where we could see from where we're currently trading still another crazy move. I don't know if 4,500% moves will be in. That would be a 44x. It's possible, but you know, even if we got a 20x, fantastic gains to be made on Bonk coin. And the last thing I'll show you, which is very interesting, if you look at Banter Bubbles from Crypto Banter, their website where you can analyze all the cryptocurrencies, very, very good application, by the way. If you look today, it's red. However, we have the current setting of US dollars. If we change it to priced in Bitcoin, most things are up, which symbolizes altcoin season. So once again, if you want to get an entry, if you want to buy altcoins, no KYC, really good, easy platform starting your crypto journey. Bluefin is great. BingX is great. Bybit is great. Apex Pro Dex is great. That is a decentralized exchange. So you just connect your Web3 wallet, Trust Wallet, Phantom Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, and you can trade directly on chain. Also very cool. I have a video about that. I'll actually pop it up on the screen. Now, Thanks for watching and have a great weekend, or whenever you're watching this. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye bye.